Today, it is indeed a great pleasure for everybody that ang kapapatayan ng isang isang incorporated shall have its first solemn induction of the new members and of taking of its officers to be officiated by Her Excellency, the overall advisor and coordinator of the Kababaihang Rizalista Incorporated European Region, no other than Lady Jane Mushiake. In a few moments, all our members, Knights of Rizal, primos, visitors, and friends shall witness an initiation which is very important and a memorable event in the history of the Kababaihang Rizalista Incorporated Paris Chapter. Likewise, we will hear from our advisor and coordinator the significant credo of the Kababaihang Rizalista Incorporated as a whole in order that all members shall be guided in their day-to-day activities. The Kababaihang Rizalista Incorporated Paris Chapter was duly approved and legalized last August 6, 2008 by our National President, Lady Bernie Lizardo, at her office at the Manila Headquarters, Intramuros, Manila, Philippines. As of today, this is the only accredited and recognized association of Kababaihang Rizalista Incorporated in France. Lastly, yours truly, as the duly elected president of this association, once again, I welcome you all in this affair and hope to look forward that this organization shall prosper and fully achieve its objectives and purposes for the Knight of Rizal and the Filipino people around the globe. Bienvenue à tous. Please and good day. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.